Today I'm gonna get fat as hell. Let's get it. Yo, okay. What are those? Korean food? Korean spicy food? Welcome to Mukbang Corner. This game is still okay. What is that cat, bro? Yellow cat. What's up, bro? Why is bro so blocky? Did he eat that much? Oh, there is a white one. Santa cat. Alright, let's see. Thank you. Hello, please. Okay, I cannot read. Hello, please take any seat and click the tablet on the table to order. Thank you. Holy. Okay, that was spicy stuff. Corn dogs? Damn. I haven't tried corn dogs in real life. Did y'all? Okay, let me take a sit here. Click to order. Mukbang menu. Okay, what should we get, Chad? What should we get? I think fried chicken is good. Alright, let's place this. Where's the fried chicken? Oh my god. Okay. Do I have to place this? Fried chicken? Let's see. Oh. Wait, why is this so well made? It has the bone as well. Okay. Cheese sauce? Wait, can I dip it in cheese sauce? Actually? Ooh, oh my god. Ooh. Okay, we gotta finish those though. Come on. Spicy? Is that spicy sauce? Let's go. Okay. Like mama always says, finish the food and then eat others. Okay, let's go. Spicy sauce. We're almost done. We have to get fat as well. And why do we have headphones here? Do they give us free headphones as well? Okay, last chicken. Yum. Ring the bell. Clear the table. Alright. Next. Baked mac and cheese. Yo, what about... Okay. Let's get this. Well, actually, let's order wings. This. I have lost count. Oh my god. I'm about to have a big mukbang. Oh my god. Yo, we're too full, bro. We're way too full. Yo, I tried this in real life. It's so good. The white one is so good. I swear. Real life is sweet. On the chicken, you know. What's that? Honey soy. Ooh, oh my god, honey. Honey is good as well. What is that green thing? Takis. Bro, I'm now American, so I've never tried Takis before. What is that? Looks like lasagna. Yo, what? How can I get a piece of this? The entire thing? Ooh! Isn't this lasagna though? That's baked mac and cheese. Yo! It looks so good. Damn! I'm from Italy, but bro, I never tried mac and cheese. I think it's an American thing. Golden nuggets. Cheesy snow chicken. Cheesy snow? Looks like gold, bro. What do you mean? Alright, we tried all of those. Let me just ring the bell. I don't want this no more. Let me try the other stuff. Can I just not sit here? Wait, I must sit here to eat. Down. After that, I want to change seats, bro. Red. That's red period. Yo, if I see this in real life, I will definitely buy this. Looks so healthy. Shallow chicken. What about the other? Spicy honey, we already tried this. What's that? Looks so similar though. But I want to change this, bro. Let's see. Can we go outside? Can we actually go like have a picnic here? Wait, we can. Yo, okay. Pick to order. We still need to try the birria tacos and seafood. Oh my god. Are you serious? Seafood, bro. You gotta pay for that? I ain't pay for that, bro. I ain't pay for nothing. I need stuff for free, bro. I'm not that rich. Okay, cheese pool as well. We got the cheese pool. Yo, every second that it passed, I'm getting fatter. Ooh. Okay, squeeze some lemon. Can I get the lime, bro? No? Ooh. Bro, I don't think we need that much lime, bro. Let's add the birria sauce. Oh, this is so satisfying though. Yum. Okay. Dude, is that it? No way. Oh, okay, we got ramen as well. Ramen, sushi, snacks, drinks. Okay, we should never miss the drinks, bro. Give me that lime, give me that lemon, give me that orange. Yes, bro. Of course I will drink that much. Is it even drinkable? Hello? Hello? Dude. Oh, okay. That's right. Wow. So fresh, so clean. Holy moly. The last one. Oh my god. I wish I was drinking all that in real life right now. Yo, of course, let me try the ramen. Tempura, salmon, eggs. We'll just order those. Tempura, salmon, eggs. Let's try the tempura. Oh my god. What's that? Oh, wait, we got the camera angles and stuff. Wow. Okay. Didn't know. Yo. I don't think nobody is eating like that, bro. Nobody won't. Ain't nobody eating like that, bro. Ain't no way. Do y'all eat like that? Let's just finish in 3. We just finished that fast, yo. The salmon, bro. I love the salmon. I've tried salmon in real life, like the expensive ones. It's so good. It's like so fat. It's crazy that I'm comparing Roblox to in real life. Like, bro. Alright, I want to wait. Corn cheese looks kind of crazy. Place that order. Corn cheese. I'm just sniffing all that cheese, bro. Cheeseburger. Okay, let me try other stuff. Sushi. Bro, they got everything. What is that? What is that, bro? Salmon roll? Bro, why do they look so weird? They look so weird. That's actually salmon? What? Like, what even is that? Oh, bro. These don't exist in real life, dude. I swear. These do not exist at all, bro. Yeah, they don't exist, dude. There is no way that there is that much fish. Real life? Hell no. I don't wanna eat those. Octopus, tuna pizza. Oh my god, what? Bro, what is Uzuzukuri pizza, bro? That don't exist. It does not exist, bro. Ain't no way that it exists. You don't believe that? Y'all ever seen a blue pizza? Hell no. Hell no. Ooh. Okay, the bite does sound good, bro. It sounds so crispy. Holy. So damn crispy. Wow. And it matches my skin. Okay, maybe even though it doesn't exist, bro. Looks bomb, bro. Oh my god. Got the Slurpee. Tuna pizza. Okay, the pizza sounds so good though. Oh my days, oh my days. Give me that sushi. Woo! Ooh. Okay, this is something that I would eat, bro. This is something that I actually would eat. Holy. This is gotta be expensive, right? This. It looks like a vlog, bro. Wait, that sushi sound. Oh my god. Okay. This is maybe one of the best sounds, bro. Damn. Okay, I need to order this again. Give me that. Not this. Give me that. Give me all of them. Let me just eat all of those, bro. Wow. That's my favorite sound so far. Alright. And the second is that blue pizza that does not exist, bro. This cannot possibly be existing. Has anyone ever created a blue pizza? Is that like pizza with flowers and stuff? Okay, new order, come on. What do we need? I'm gonna clean out this table first. Never mind. Let me clean up. Clean. Snacks? Shoe. Oh, we actually got the corn dogs. Holy. Well, let me order this. One of those. Holy big bag. One. Bro, the crab is expensive, dude. If you order crab like this in real life, bro, you're gonna go homeless. You're going homeless. Oh my god, let me place, bro. Yo, stop, dude. Okay. I think I cannot I cannot place more than that, bro. Okay, what's that? Oh my god. Okay, the corn dog. What's that? Okay, let me just get a little bit of everything. Oh, the crab. Give me the crabbing. Give me everything, bro. Give me everything. Give me everything. Oh my god. Holy. So big, bro. If we were to eat all this, bro. Oh my god. I'm selling my house. I can afford all this. Secret. try this. Like bean? No, it's the same thing. It's the same damn thing. Give me the blue corns. Blue corns. Blue corns. Damn. Okay, let me change place for the last few things. I need to eat the last few things. Yo, what the hell? Oh my god. Click curtains for privacy. Curtains for privacy. Okay, this is my curtains, bro. Looks like I'm about to sleep, bro. Okay, let me click. We just need the sir now. We need the sir. Cookie. I'm not reading all that, bro. I'm not reading all that. I'm clicking all this. Yo, who didn't clean off, bro? Like, you need to humble yourself, dude. You need that clean. So many sweets, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Okay. With the milk and stuff? Yo, give me the strawberry, bro. Where's the strawberry at? Oh, okay, this is so well made, though. We get into the cookies. Get into the cookies. Come on. Just finish that bowl, bro. There is nothing more left, bro. What do we want to eat? Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me everything. Oh my god. Ooh. Bro, why did I push it? Oh my god. I need to lock in. What's that? Apple pie. Dang. Oh my god. Oh, macarons. Come on, macarons. The French specialty. We love macarons. But I never seen someone eat macaron with the milk, bro. Who eats macaron with milk? Like inside the milk, right? It's not like cookies. Macarons. Wait, are macaron cookies though? They're the sweets. Are they considered cookies? Are macaron considered cookies? We got more macarons. Wait, those are Oreos. Not Oreos. Oh my god, pour the milk. Okay, I don't even want to finish this, bro. I want to be honest, bro. Give me those candies, dude. Give me those M&M's. Why in this game they forcing me to eat with milk, bro? Like, this is so unhealthy. This is so unhealthy. So damn unhealthy. Oh yes. Guys, eat all of this. Oh hell nah, bruh. Oh hell no, I don't wanna get fat no more, bruh. Like this video, subscribe to not get fat. You can eat everything, but you will not get fat if you subscribe to me.